Well, we had quite the winter storm here, and I left this thing outside. Seemingly snowed overnight. So we're gonna do a cold start, see if it cranks up, and see if it can pull its way out of this. Gotta find the gas pedal. Here we are. Now let's see. Oh, popped over there. No way. See if we can't just kind of gas our way out of here. When in doubt, throttle out, right? Wanted to die on me. A little too cold yet. All right, here we go. Still so cold. Probably should let your vehicle warm up before doing something like this. No way. Dude, that's awesome.